Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best engine heater is probably one of the most underrated automotive accessories, especially if you live in a cold climate. Starting your car on a frigid morning can be a real struggle, but with an engine heater, you can pre-warm your engine, making it easier to start and reducing wear and tear. In this video, we'll dive into the top engine heaters on the market, helping you find the perfect one to keep your engine running smoothly all winter long. Number 5. Nilight CL86635 PCS Car Retainer Clips Kit. This kit is designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, including Ford, GM, Chrysler, Toyota, and Honda. It's a great assortment with 16 popular sizes. It is perfect for door trim, bumpers, and more. The clips come in a plastic container for easy organization and storage. They are made of high-quality black nylon material. This makes them anti-wear and anti-corrosion, so they won't break easily. With up to 620 pieces, this kit allows you to freely DIY your vehicle accessories. It's a cost-effective solution compared to buying from auto parts stores. You can save money and customize your car. The kit includes fastener removers and cable ties. These tools help you remove clips without causing damage. They provide easy access into confined areas, making your job easier. These clips are easy to install and remove. They are designed to securely hold various parts of your car. The kit provides everything you need for a professional finish. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a wide range of sizes, ensuring you have the right clip for almost any automotive need. It's made of durable nylon, so it won't break easily. If you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who frequently works on their car, this kit is a must-have, saving you trips to the auto parts store. What people say. A very complete, practical, and economical kit, perfect for anyone who does basic automotive repairs or disassembly work. Ideal to always have in the car or workshop. The include remover tool appears cheap, but actually works quite well, and I have several different name brand interior tools. The darts clips seem to be good quality, and I use them to replace most of the clips on my RZR 800. Todo bien, buen material, buen precio, su estuche muy práctico, excellent. Number 4. ABN 4x5-inch 250W Silicone Heater Pad. In cold weather, this heater pad warms your engine oil before you start. It quickly heats the oil up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a smooth start on cold mornings. The heater pad keeps your engine oil fluid, providing instant lubrication. This reduces wear and tear on your engine, extending its life and the life of your transmission. Installation is simple, just clean the surface, peel, and stick. Then, plug the power cord into any outlet for instant warming. Once applied, it stays permanently attached. This flexible heating pad is built with a silicone coating for oil and acid resistance. It's designed for long-lasting performance, ensuring reliable engine warming. This 250-watt pad is designed for metal surfaces like oil pans and fuel tanks. It's perfect for automotive applications, keeping your fluids warm and ready to go. Remember, it's not for personal use. What we like. This silicone heater pad warms your engine oil quickly, even on the coldest mornings. It improves oil flow, reducing wear and tear on your engine. If you live in a cold climate and want to ensure your engine starts smoothly and lasts longer, this is a great choice. What people say. Heats my 15 QT oil pan after a few hours in Alaskan winters. It was fairly easy to install but did take some time. The pad has an adhesive backing. Cars started smoothly just as if it was 70°F outside. I was amazed and cannot recommend this product for anyone into cars or just desire that solid extra assurance. Number 3. Zerostart 260-0900 Compact Plug-in Car Heater. Tired of freezing in your car during winter? This compact heater is designed to warm up the interior of your vehicle. It's perfect for passenger, light-duty, and recreational vehicles. Installing this heater is a breeze. It comes with a mounting bracket, allowing you to easily place it on the floor or under the dash. You'll be enjoying a warm car in no time. Say goodbye to scraping ice off your windshield. This heater helps to clear your windows before you even start the engine. It's a convenient way to get your day started. With 900 watts and 3000 BTU, this heater provides efficient warmth. It operates on 120 volts AC, ensuring a comfortable environment inside your vehicle. Safety is a priority. The heater includes an automatic high-temperature safety sensor that shuts it off if it gets too hot. There's also a secondary, one-time use thermal safety sensor for extreme conditions, ensuring your peace of mind. This heater is designed for a universal fit, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. It's a practical and effective solution for staying warm on the road. What we like. This compact heater is perfect for warming the interior of your vehicle, ensuring frost-free windows before you even start the engine. It's easy to install and features an automatic safety sensor. If you like a comfortable cabin and clear visibility during winter, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The heaters are great, especially when it's frosty out. This keeps my truck warm and clear. I never have to scrape ice or snow, plus my vehicle's cabin is always warm and dry. Number 2. HOTSTART TPS 151 GT8-000 Engine Coolant Preheater. This is the HOTSTART TPS 151 GT8-000, a powerful engine coolant preheater. It's designed to keep your engine ready to go, even in cold conditions. This product ensures optimal performance and extends the life of your engine. With 1,500 watts of power, this preheater efficiently warms your engine coolant. It operates on 120V and draws 12.5 A, providing consistent and reliable heat. It's a great solution for various applications. The preheater activates at 80 degrees Fahrenheit 27 degrees Celsius and turns off at 100 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius. This precise temperature control ensures your engine is always at the ideal operating temperature. The system uses a thermosiphon principle, so no pump is needed. Suitable for diesel and gas engines, construction equipment, trucks, and marine applications. It's designed for engine displacements between 350 to 500 CID, 5.7 to 8.2 L. This unit is a versatile solution for many needs. This preheater is easy to install and use. It heats engine coolant and water effectively. It comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This engine heater preheats your engine coolant, ensuring optimal engine performance in cold weather. It utilizes the thermosiphon principle, eliminating the need for a pump. If you have a diesel or gas engine in a truck, construction equipment, or marine application, this heater is designed to keep it running smoothly. What people say. So far the heater is working fine. Easy install and works fine. Direct replacement work right out of the box. Number 1. MOPAR block heater cord for Ram 2500 3500 4500 5500. This is a MOPAR block heater cord. It's designed to keep your engine warm in cold weather. It's a reliable solution for optimal engine heating. Made from durable aluminum, this cord is built to last. The robust material ensures long-lasting performance, even in harsh conditions. You can count on it for years to come. This cord is a perfect fit for your Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 trucks from 2013 to 2018. It's specifically designed for these models. It ensures a seamless integration with your vehicle's engine. Engineered by MOPAR, this cord guarantees quality and reliability. MOPAR is known for its commitment to excellence. This ensures optimal engine heating performance. Installation is a breeze with its simple plug-and-play design. You can quickly set it up without any hassle. It's a direct fit for original equipment replacement. This is a direct replacement for your original equipment. It meets all OEM specifications. It's the perfect solution for your block heater needs. What we like. This block heater cord is crafted from durable aluminum and engineered by MOPAR for optimal engine heating. It is a direct fit for original equipment replacement. If you own a Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, or 5500 from 2013 to 2018, this cord provides a simple plug-and-play solution for reliable engine warmth. What people say. The heater is easy to install. The product works great and keeps the engine warm. The design is effective for cold weather starts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.